Okay, while we're waiting. High winds. They met at a writers' conference. She wasn't the prettiest girl there, but she had a sense of humor and a great ass. Two things he could not live without. They exchanged numbers before he left for the airport. They didn't know they had a plan. When he arrived at LaGuardia, he found his plane was grounded by high winds. He called her. He asked if he could fuck her till the winds died down. She said to give her an hour. He took the shuttle. She took a shower. He fucked her till the wind stopped howling. He fucked her till it would have been safer to fly through crosswinds and gales and storms than to stay with her just one more minute. He fucked her till the winds died down. Leaving, his hand on the doorknob, he looked at her just one last time. "I never fucked a Jew before," he said. "I'm Italian," she answered. And as he left, she turned and went to the bed and she slept in the blessed silence, a gift left behind by those high, high, high winds.